MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. There are several ways to install KiCad on your Ubuntu server, and I will show you two of them right now. The first method is using the official repository. Use the following command to add the repository, then update your packages and install KiCad itself. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. The second method is using Flatpak. Install Flatpak using the following command, then add the Flathub repository, and after that install KiCad. All that's left to do is to switch to the graphical interface, where you will find KiCad among your installed application. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.